Hey, it's Kate with WTI. And if you want to ditch the canned cooking sprays, check out this beautiful glass oil sprayer from hoforife. This bottle is the perfect size. It holds 7 ounces. It has a really nice wide opening, so it's easy to fill. I have mine filled with olive oil. I really love that it's a dark glass jar, so it mimics the same jar my oil comes in so that it maintains its freshness. You're then locked and loaded and ready to spray. So you can use this when spraying on your frying pans, or if you're baking cookies, you can prep your cookie sheets. You could spray this on salad. You could use it directly on your meat. However you want to use it. It's a really nice controlled spray. It's quite generous, but it doesn't overdo it. So if you're watching your waistline, it's a good way to do it too. I really like that I know exactly what's in here. So when I was buying the canned sprays, there's more than one ingredient in there. I don't really know what I'm using. Plus it's expensive. So this really does cut down on cost. And I know that it's nice pure olive oil. Of course, you can put different things in here too if you want. It also comes in 2 different designs. So this one is an olive branch and then the other one says olive oil on it. These don't leak. It also has a lock on top so that the actual sprayer will lock up. It does exactly what I want it to do and I'm very pleased with it. And that's my point of view.